Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, in lieu of the COVID-19, here we are. In lieu of all the toilet paper missing from all the stores everywhere, the new findings have shown that people have started to use banana peels, paper towel, Kleenexes, and many other alternatives to wiping their asses when they have to shit. Now, I've been doing the pinch and hold method and waiting for new stock to come in. Can't wait any longer. I've started to sweat. I've had weird breakdowns, hard time sleeping at night, so I broke down and I came up with a new idea. Coffee filters. Yeah, damn right. Coffee filters. They come in like a 200 pack. So that's either 200 ply, or you could do like, 2 ply, 100 sheet, 200 sheet, or 1 sheet, 200 ply. Any which way you like. And you can deal them out and you can use them. And more than likely, those are probably still a little safe to flush. Now, I'm no expert at what you can flush down a toilet. I'm no plumber. But they're awfully a lot lighter than a t-shirt or paper towel. Just saying, coffee filters are still in stock. Run down to your local Walmart. There's not one out here. I checked. There's none. We're going to make our own, though. We're going to make our own toilet paper here shortly with the providings of nature. Maybe I'll even show you how. You can go use some. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Maisie's Day 2020, the year of the vision. Always staying up on the ass wipes. Stay tuned for the next episode when we show you how to make your own bidet using a garden hose, a significant other, and a spray nozzle. Peace, ladies and gentlemen, from Maisie's Day 2020, the year of the vision. You know I love you all. Today, tomorrow, forever.